Your cookie sheet? How do you put them on the cookie sheet? Can you take it out of the oven?
That's a cookie sheet?
Mm-hmm. Now load it up with cookies. And then bake them.
Recipe. I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
You're going to eat the cookies?
My frying pan.
Oh, your frying pan?
Jack.
We'll put the cookies on the cookie sheet first.
Cookies. Cookies. Cookie sheet. Mommy, oh, geez. Now just the frying pan.
Now we'll get the frying pan? Okay. You say hi, camera?
Hi, camera.